oftentimes when businesses and business owners talk about their digital readiness, what they are referring to a lot of times is only social media engagement and digital marketing. As true as it is that it is a part of it, it is not the whole sum of what digital readiness or digital transformation is all about. So it is essential that you have a clear understanding of digital transformation for your business. So social media engagement, digital marketing in itself is a subset of what digital transformation is about. So when we talk about digital transformation, what we are majorly talking about is the infusion of digital solutions into your entire business process and value chain. So it goes beyond just the product, it goes beyond just the customer engagement, but also it comes into your internal operations and business operations as well. So how do you communicate with clients? When you have a first contact with a potential customer, what happens next? What digital tools are you going to use? How do you assess your performance? How do you do audits? So these are some of the questions that you need to answer. So when you talk about digital transformation, it is wider and bigger than just what most people refer to as just social media engagement and digital marketing in itself. Although that is part of it, but it is bigger. It goes across the entire business operations and value chain.